Hi everyone, a warm welcome and a big thank you for joining us on this event. The launch of a StockHealth is really a big day for us. Me, my team, my developer, everyone in the home was working on this, I think, since 2 years now, and finally the day come. On this occasion, I want to thank my guru Premal sir to joining us and giving us blessing to start this venture. So Premal sir is known in the market by many other names like Captain Cool of stock market, and he is very well known by his brand RS Warrior. I joined him, through the RS Warrior, and then the journey started. So I personally, when I met him through the webinars and learning through his journey, how he thinks about the society, giving back to the society, my journey has been changed since then. I really want to thank him, and I really, look up to him. If I do something, even a 1% what he is doing, that will be a big thing for me. So thank you so much, Premal sir. Thank you so much. So sir, have a So Premal sir is in the market since 23 years now, and he has a philosophy of relative strength theory, and I have never seen anyone in the markets following a relative strength theory like him. He's just living and breathing it. He always tell you have to trust with the heart and follow it, and I'm just glad to follow him on that path. So I would request Premal sir now to light up the candle. So if we can inaugurate the moment of. Okay. What do I do? Sir, I would request you to have a seat so I can run you through the website. So stock health, the name itself is giving you vision that any stock, like a human, any stock has a health, and you need to check the health of the stock. So that was the thought. But the website as a tool is not a website or a tool to analyze. It is a journey of a stock trader or investor before he get into the decision of buying, selling, or holding any stock. Whenever you want to buy any stock, or take any decision on any stock, whether you want to buy it or hold it or sell it, uh, the first thing I think you should be thinking, and generally everyone thinks, कि market में क्या चल रहा है, whether the market is in uptrend, whether the market is in sideways or downtrend. That is first thing. And the second thing you should know is कि market का strength क्या है. So on the website, if you go to this first section, you will come to know कि यहाँ पे it's a general market trend. You can switch on and off this EMA section. Many traders, investors generally they gauge the market trend by the EMA. So I kept it. This is the first thing everyone looks कि ट्रेंड क्या चल रहा है. द सेकेंड थिंग आई रियली एम्फोसाइज कि मार्केट ऊपर जा रहा है या नीचे जा रहा है, बट एवरी वन शुड सी व्हाट इज द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द मार्केट. सो कितने स्टॉक्स लेके मार्केट ऊपर जा रहा है या फिर कितने स्टॉक्स लेके मार्केट नीचे जा रहा है. सो दैट इज समथिंग एवरीवन फोकसेस ऑन. तो स्ट्रेंथ पता चलती है. सो दिस सेक्शन विल हेल्प यू कि मार्केट का स्ट्रेंथ क्या है इन शॉर्ट टर्म एंड द लॉन्ग टर्म. So this is the first question when you want to know what is happening in the market. The second thing you want to understand, पता तो चल गया कि क्या चल रहा है, अभी कहाँ चल रहा है, where it is happening. तो ये जानने के लिए there are again on the website if you come down, scroll down and come to this section of industry money flow, you will come to know कि कौन से इंडस्ट्री में, मतलब what is happening पता चला अभी, where it is happening, to know कि यहाँ पे इंडस्ट्री का वीकली मनी फ्लो है एंड डेली मनी फ्लो है. सो वीकली मनी फ्लो पे पता चलेगा कि एवरी लास्ट 5 वीक से कौन से इंडस्ट्रीज है जो आउट परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, और उसमें वॉल्यूम्स आ रहे हैं, स्टॉक्स ऊपर जा रहे हैं, तो ये वीकली पे पता चलेगा. एंड इफ यू कम टू द डेली, लास्ट 5 डेज का आपको पता चलेगा कि वेयर in last 5 days which industry is performing. So this is one thing, but this is not enough to know where it is happening. You should come to this section particularly, money flow in the market cap wise. So इंडस्ट्री पता चली कि कौन सी परफॉर्मिंग है, बट मार्केट कैप कौन सा परफॉर्मिंग है, दैट ऑल्सो यू शुड नो. सो वेयर इट इज हैपनिंग इंडस्ट्री, एंड द सेकेंड थिंग वेयर इट इज हैपनिंग इज द मार्केट कैप. सो ये आपको ओवरऑल मार्केट का थॉट देगा कि क्या चल रहा है मार्केट में और कहाँ पे चल रहा है मार्केट में. So these are the basic basic questions everyone goes through this journey. Now the second and the most important thing starts when you know now कि industry तो पता चली, अभी आगे क्या. अभी to shortlist the stocks which are currently in demand, currently outperforming from the same industry. So I'm sure everyone has their own criteria to shortlist the stocks. So we also at Stock Health has the same section for shortlist the stock, and this criterias have been performing very well. You can check the performance page. I have been posting this on Twitter handles as well. So coming to the shortlist section, if you subscribe, once you subscribe the shortlist section, you will get the 5 day shortlist. So not the previous one. If you subscribe today, you will get from today आगे वाले 5 दिन का आपको शॉर्टलिस्ट मिलते जाएगा. देर आर टू सेक्शंस इन द शॉर्टलिस्ट. वन इज अ मोमेंटम लिस्ट and one is a investing list. So generally, momentum list, the trade lasts 3 to 7 weeks, and investing list, the trade may last for 2 to 6, 7 quarters. So that's how the horizon works here. This list has been generated through a system where we have put many rules which has demand and supply, and even the basic fundamental ratios also, that may help to come to the point which stocks are performing well. The thought behind this shortlist is, this may help many newcomers or many learners who can, who want to shortlist the stock list from the 5,000 listed companies, but they may sometime being end up buying a illiquid stock, or the stocks has poor quality of basic fundamentals and stuff like that. But this has been filtered out, and the stocks listed here are currently in demand. So one can study the stock and do their further analysis. I personally go through the same stock list and mark yellow ones which I think I would be interested in. This is a stock view page basically. What it contains is very interesting. The first section here, the first gray section here, you will notice this is a basic information of the company with short term and long term trend. But a very important data point here is the uh, delivery data percentage of last 5 days. So when you see any stock on this platform here, you will definitely come to know कि 5 दिन पहले से ये डेटा डिलीवरी डेटा में क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है. Coming to the right side section of this, you will get the key metrics of the company which everyone has to go through कि stock P क्या है, industry P क्या है, उसका EPS क्या चल रहा है, ROE, ROC, and promoters holdings versus FII holdings. So these are the very general and basic information which gives a conviction कि आगे क्या possibility हो सकती है, whether you want to further do your analysis or not. Below there are two sections. Left is this technical stuff, the chart basically. It's a daily time frame chart. This chart, technical section, basically has three main features. So one is the volume pop-ups. The most important thing is this industry volume. So whenever you refer to any stock, you can see here which industry it belongs to. So that is the first thing. The second thing On the chart, you will come to know, is the industry giving strength to the stock or it is not, or the stock is going against the industry. The third and the most important thing, which is I would call it patent of Premal sir, which is adaptive RS and fixed reference RS. It has a fantastic effect on the stock when you compare that to the performance, to the benchmark. It is not the subject to explain it generally in a minute or two or a day. You have to refer to his courses, many webinars which explains how relative things work, and how it helps you to boost your performance in the stock market along with the performance of the stock itself with the benchmark. After I joined him, I have never taken any stock which is not relative strength positive. So that is one thing you should definitely go and check, study with him. So the right section, this is focusing on quarterly results. These are the basic driving factors. If they are growing, improving, or positive, then you may definitely have a upside coming in the stock. It doesn't limit here. You can add as many ratios you want just to see how the stock fits your criteria itself. So the thought behind all this one view page is you get the general information of the stock, then you get the basic fundamental information of the stock. Then you come to the right side of the section, you get the demand and supply understanding, what is happening in the stock, along with the industry volumes and the outperformance of the stock. That is the technical part. And to confirm the move, you have this quarterly result section. If this is going well, matching with the volume demand on the chart and the basic fundamentals are going good, I think the stock will give you good returns in coming quarters. So this thought of what you should focus on, not only the technicals, not only the quarterly result, not only the fundamentals of the company, you should summarize everything and take a construct conclusive decision ki possibility क्या हो सकती है इसका. This may help to give you all about any stock in one view page. This is it for the introduction of the website. Coming to the subscription part of the website, I have a very different thought when I thought about a subscription. So generally in the market, we have monthly based subscriptions or yeah, yearly subscriptions. And what I've noticed that many retail investors who really want to learn but have small capital, and they cannot afford to go with this monthly or yearly subscription. Those that looks really huge to them when it comes to learning part of it. So my thought behind that, even those who really have small money but are interested into learning, they should be also getting this information, at the affordable price. So what I generally thought, how about 100 rupees per stock? Pay only for the stocks which you want to analyze. If you don't have the stock list, you can refer to the shortlist section also with the 100 rupees and do your further analysis. Then we decided to come to a point where we will start the subscription with 50 rupees per stock. So if you have list, good, go for it, and pay only for the stocks which you want to do your analysis on. अगर नहीं है तो you pay 100 rupees for the shortlist for a week. Within a week, I guess you may get somewhere around 50, 60 stocks to just to go through, study those, and then learn out of it, and then you can decide. I would request Premal sir how he thinks and feels about this tool, and moreover, I would want suggestions from Premal sir how this can be even more simplified and approachable to the guys who really want to learn serious about it and affordable to them also.
So, a very good evening to all of the viewers who are seeing us today on YouTube or wherever they are. Well, it always feels proud, when somebody who has learned from us and he's launching something which is taking this journey forward. It always feels much more, a proud kind of feeling, and I feel so respectable today that yes, there is some extension of RS which has come on a platform which is launched completely, which is focused towards the demand and the supply rules of relative strength. For viewers who are seeing this for the first time or they are not very much aware about relative strength, we often see and ask people around us that which stock is good, which we should buy. And then people come with their own biases. Like somebody might like L&T, somebody might like State Bank of India, or XYZ, the most famous names we normally voice out to others. But what's important to understand is that what the market likes. When we start with the thought process where we say that कौन सा stock अच्छा है? That is not the right question. The right question should be which is the stock which the market likes, and that is where relative strength studies come into focus. So once you have the relative strength study which is focusing right on the stock which is in demand, that's where you actually hit hard and you make great profits when you invest into that kind of a stock. Now, tools which enable you to sort this kind of a feature where you understand that this stock has demand and this is where I should put my money. It has the potential to give you multi-bagger returns in a shorter duration. So sometimes people say that I am a long-term investor and I put money and I get 100% return in 3 years. But then with relative strength, how about doing that in 8 to 10 months? So this is possible when you practice relative strength. So I would request all of you who are seeing this video for the first time, or maybe they are not introduced to relative strength concepts, go to rswarriors.com. This is my platform. And on this platform, where you will get number of webinars which I have done, and you can start with the step 1 to 4 journey, which is mentioned on the portal, and you can start learning about it. As for this particular tool, I do see some advantages of this, and specifically, the chart which is which is showing the huge volumes where the shout outs are coming in the blue balloon kind of thing, which make easier to find where exactly the demand is. Okay, so this will help all the practitioners who are using relative strength. And I wish that more and more people join and enroll him on this journey and make this a more learning experience for them and make a better investment with their investments and get great returns out of it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot. So he is very kind. He always speaks kind words, and thanks for his blessings. So I really want to thank everyone joining me today on this journey to start with. I would really want everyone to visiting the website, commenting on it, give your suggestions. We are open to the suggestions. And thanks a lot. Thanks again. Thank you so much. See you. Bye bye.